In this specific video, you're going to learn how to install WordPress themes. In order to get this to work, you're going to need to have a WordPress theme, and there's going to be two ways to installing it. You can install it automatically through the WordPress dashboard, or you can install it manually through the FTP software. So log into your WordPress dashboard, and if you click on Appearance and click on Themes, that's where you can install the themes. So if you click on Install Themes, there are several ways to install themes. You can access some free themes through WordPress's system, or you can go on Google and find some free themes. And if you take that route, then you'll have to download the theme. And then, of course, you can install it in here. But first things first, I want to show you where you can find themes. And you can type a keyword into here if you want to, or you can use the feature filter and choose colors here. Let's say, for example, we're going to choose blue. Let's say I want a 2-column website. I want fixed width, and you can choose specific features. I'm going to leave it as it is and click on Find Themes. Now you can scroll through the themes and find a theme that you like. Let's say, for example, that this theme appeals to me. To install it, all you have to do is click on Install Now, enter your host name, which is normally localhost, your FTP username and password, and click on Proceed. And then click on Activate. And if we go to the main site to take a look at the site, we can see that we have installed the theme. Now, this is a great way of finding themes, but let's say, for example, that you have a theme in hand and you've gone on Google, you did some research and you found a theme that you like, you downloaded the file, and now you want to install the theme. There are two different ways to do this. If you click on Install Themes and click on Upload, choose File, you're going to need to locate the zip file that you downloaded. And simply click on Install Now and go through the same process that you saw earlier. Or you can also install it through your FileZilla FTP program. To do that, open your FileZilla FTP program, click on WP-Content, go under Themes, and simply drag and drop the theme here. Now you're going to need to unzip the folder, so let me give you an example. If I go to wordpress.org/extend/themes, and let's say, for example, that I find a WordPress theme that I like. In this example, let's say we're going to use this here. If I click on Download, this is the file that we need to upload to the site. So I'm going to locate that file. I'm going to unzip the file. And all I need to do now is simply drag that folder into the themes folder on the live site. So simply drag and drop it over here. And after it has been uploaded, you can go back to the WordPress Install Theme section, click on Manage Themes, and you're going to see the theme under Available Themes. And of course, to activate it, simply click on Activate. And that's it. So if we refresh the page, you can see here that we have successfully updated the theme. So installing and updating themes is very, very easy to do in WordPress. And you want to make sure that you do all of this in the beginning of setting up your website, because once after you've set up your website, if you do this, you're going to lose a lot of your configuration settings. So make sure that you do this in the beginning.